Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce with molasses. Combine 1 cup molasses, 1 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 1 tsp smoked paprika, then simmer to meld flavors. Taste and adjust salt, heat, and sweetness until balanced. Use on ribs, chicken, or burgers. Store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks and reheat gently before serving. Measure carefully and layer flavors as you cook so each component sings in the final sauce. Start with sweet and tangy, then build umami and heat with soy sauce, Worcestershire, or miso. Simmer gently to thicken and let the alcohol or sharpness mellow. Taste frequently and tweak with small amounts of vinegar, sugar, or salt. Keep the texture smooth by whisking while simmering and strain if you prefer a silky finish. Control heat and time to avoid burning the molasses, which will turn bitter. Low, steady simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes usually yields a glossy, pourable sauce. Stir often and skim any foam for clarity. If it becomes too thick, add hot water a tablespoon at a time. If too thin, simmer a bit longer. Cool to room temperature before transferring to jars for even flavor development and easier storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.